In this video, I will show you how to do a gradient button without using CSS. This is the before and this is the after. First, let's duplicate this section. We've got a clear background, transparent background here. Open up the side panel. Click on the button, scroll down, come to background color, click on it. See the top, it says solid. Click drop down, click gradient, and you've got two colors. First color, I've got it as white, but I'm going to change that now. Let's put red. Click on the top white one and then change that to yellow, and it gives you your two color gradient. And this is the degree in which it's at. It's got a 90-degree blend. Hope that has been helpful to you. Please subscribe for more. Thank you.